Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Dana.
I'm Art.
And today we're going to be going through the operations of the louvered pergola provided by Yoleny. Now this operation is going to be the same no matter what size pergola you have. This one just happens to be the 10 by 20. Your pergola would have come with at least one of these hooks and handles. Ours came with two. So let's go ahead and show you how to use these to open and close the roof. So to operate the roof, you're going to take the hook on your handle and hook it in to this piece here. And from there, it's really just a hand crank. With both hands on the handles, just give it a swivel and the roof will open, and turn it the other way to close it. Your pergola likely has more than one section of roof, so in order to open or close all of the different sections, you'll need to unhook your handle and move on to the next section. It is that easy. A couple very important tips that we wanted to call out. When the roof is completely closed, it is rain tight, so you can seek shelter underneath here during a rainstorm. Secondly, during winter, you do not want to allow more than 2 inches of snow to accumulate on a closed roof of the pergola. We would advise you to keep the pergola open during winter to allow any of that snowfall to fall through rather than accumulate on a closed roof.
A big thanks to Yoleny for sponsoring this episode and providing this beautiful pergola. If this was helpful to you because you're considering a purchase of this nature, or you finished the assembly and you're wanting the operation side of it, we certainly hope this was helpful, and if it was value to you, be sure to smash that like button and share us a comment. Let us know your thoughts.
And if you haven't already checked it out, go ahead and take a look at the assembly video of this pergola right here.
And until next episode, take care, stay safe, we'll see you soon. Bye.